Welcome back aspirants on MacTech 40, and today we will solve one question based on application of differential equation. Okay, so the question is, a body is originally at 60 degrees Celsius. It's cooled down to 40 degrees Celsius in 15 minutes when kept in the air having temperature 25 degrees Celsius. That means the air temperature is given as 25 degrees Celsius and it is a constant. Okay, what will be the temperature of body at the end of 30 minutes? So here we have to use the application of differential equation. You have studied the differential equation in your BTech program, okay, from in maths 2, maths 3, okay. So today we will see the application. Here we know the Newton's law of cooling, that rate of change of temperature with respect to time is proportional to the temperature difference between that body at any instant minus that infinity, T infinity, that means the ambient temperature. Here I am writing the notation, the capital T, that means temperature of body at any instant, and T infinity, that is the surrounding temperature which is constant, or you can say that air temperature in our case, okay. And here small t, it represents time. Here we have taken time in minute, okay. For particular this numerical you can take second or hour as per the your convenience, okay. And this law is known as Newton's law of cooling, okay. The rate of change of temperature or rate of decrease of temperature is proportional to temperature difference. This is known as Newton's law of cooling, okay. So we will use this equation to solve our data. So let's start. So this is the relation, dt by dt is proportional to t minus t infinity, okay. So if we remove the proportionality constant, then there will be some constant, but dt by small dt is equal to k times t minus t infinity, okay. This is the proportionality constant where k is equal to proportionality constant, but here we have to add minus sign. Why minus sign? Because the temperature is decreasing, okay. The difference, this t minus t infinity is decreasing, so we have to accommodate this. We have to adding the, we are adding minus sign, okay. Here now solve this equation, okay. So we can solve this equation by variable separable method, okay. Hope you guys studies. So dt by t minus t infinity is equal to minus k times d small t, okay. Now take the integration on the both the side. So this is the, in the, this is the function in the form of 1 upon x, okay, 1 upon x dx. So we can integrate ln t minus t infinity is equal to minus k into t plus c. C is the integration constant, or you can say that c is the arbitrary constant, okay. Now here we have two different constant. One is k proportionality constant and one is c, okay. So to solve this we have two boundary conditions, okay. That means which two boundary condition? Initially when time is 0, t is equal to 0 minute, the initial temperature was 60 degree. Okay, and when the time is 15 minute lapse, so temperature is bring down to 40 degree Celsius. Okay, so use the first boundary condition. This is the equation number 1. So we are using the first boundary condition. Ln t is 60 degree minus 25 degree is equal to minus k times 0 plus c. Okay, so this term will be eliminated. So we have found out the value of c. C is equal to ln 35. C is the ln 35. Say it is equation number 2. Now put the value of c in equation 1. Okay, from equation 2 and 1 we have ln T minus T infinity is the surrounding temperature or air temperature 25 degrees Celsius and it is constant, is equal to minus KT plus ln 35. Okay, now use the second boundary condition. That means at what is the temperature? Temperature is 40 degrees Celsius minus 25. So at K into 15 minutes plus ln 35. So when you solve this, here you will get ln 15 by 35. Okay, because you know the difference in log, it will be division, minus k into 15. So to remove this minus, we will change inverse this. We will take the inverse ratio of this ln 35 by 15 is equal to k into 15. Okay, so here ln 5 3s and 5 7s. Okay, so ln 7 by 3 into 1 by 15 is a k. So this is our second boundary condition. From this views we have found the proportionality constant. Okay, now put this equation 3 in equation 1 and equation 2 as well. So our final equation is ln t minus 25 is equal to minus 1 upon 15 ln 7 by 3. Okay, I'm writing on the next page. So our final equation is ln t minus 25 is equal to minus k. Minus k is what? 1 by 15 ln 7 by 3 t plus ln 35. Okay, so this is our equation. Say it equation number 4. This is our final generalized equation with all the constant values. So now we have to find the temperature at the end of 30 minutes. Okay, so just put the value of t in 50 30 ln t minus 25, not 15, 25 minus 1 upon 15. This is the value of k ln 7 by 3. What is the value of t? The t is the time. So here we have to find after half hour or 30 minutes plus ln 35. So this will become 2 times. Okay, so 2 into ln 7 by 3. So to remove this minus sign, we will take the inverse ratio and square this. So ln 9 by 49 plus ln 35. Okay, so the addition in the logarithmic will become multiplication. Ln 9 into 35 divided by 49. is equal to ln t minus 25. So ln will be get cancelled, okay, or you can say that both the side taking a e power, so the ln will be get cancel out. So we have t minus 25 is equal to 9 into 35 divided by 49. Okay, so when you solve this or take this 25 on the other side, so it will become plus 25. So when you solve this in your KLC, you will find as 31.44 degrees Celsius. Okay, so this is the answer, and this is how we have to use the differential equation in application form. Okay, in heat transfer. So our answer is 31.5. This is the nearmost answer. So this is our answer. Hope you guys understand. If you have still any doubt, just ask in the comment section. We will make more videos regarding this point, okay, on this topic, application of differential equation. So tomorrow we will meet with a new question. So till then, keep studying, stay focused.